guys, so I'll be showing you how to make a doghouse. So you need just scissors and glue and some paint. So first, I already did this. I basically just folded the paper in half so it'd be more thick, and I cut out the sides, and you have to save the sides for later. And then you paint it. So basically, pause the video and paint it. So this one you're gonna paint it the same color as the door of your doghouse. And then this one you will paint. Well, you don't really need that one. And you also need another paper to paint your dog. So I'm gonna leave my house to dry. And now we're gonna start by drawing a dog, which is gonna be for Elsie. Or no, I'm gonna make one for Elsie and one for Ani. So basically I'm gonna make two puppies. And how to draw Ani's puppy, you draw like this. And then Ani's puppy has ears like this. And then you will draw a flower like this. Doesn't fit. And you're gonna draw an eye. Well, you don't really have to draw this one exactly. That's how I draw mine. And you're gonna draw big, cute eyes. And you can also draw some eyebrows. And you draw a cute puppy nose. Actually, I don't really like this Ani dog. We can try. Then you need to draw the body. You draw a neck with like a tail and some foots. Yeah, I'm gonna redraw this dog. Oh, okay, I'm not even gonna draw it with marker. Both of them ended up too big. I don't really like them. So let's actually draw eye, head, and then the nose. That's a really big nose. Like this. And let's just make this nose smaller. And then, yeah, I'm gonna draw the dog. Well, I ended up drawing this weird doggy for Anna and this weird German Shepherd for Elsie, and they look really weird. I'd rather have this puppy than this, but that's what I'm gonna do for now because I can't really draw right now for some reason. Well, I'm done drawing the dogs, and now they're much bigger. Yeah, okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Now let's just bring the house back. Here's the house. And now we're gonna glue only the corners like this. Huh? So now you have this pocket thing. And you can put these dogs aside. There. And then we're gonna do the next page, but in another video. So yeah, that's all for now. And part 2 is gonna be called. It's gonna be called Talks from CPU. Talks from CPU, Doghouse Part 2.